Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I'm going to show you how to do the diamond design that is on our pattern 283. It's a baby's cardigan. It's in double knitting 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and there will be a link at the end of down below the video if you wish to purchase it. But I'm going to show you how to do the swatch just now. I need to stop saying M. Anyway, here is the design. And we can see it better like that. Oh, that's actually, there you go. You see all the holes, all the lacy holes. Really nice. Right, let's get started. We're not doing it in the pink, that was just so I could show you. Okay, so today we're going to do it in the blue. And I have on here 3 lots of 6, which is 18 plus an extra 3. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 plus 3. So if you were to put it onto anything, you would make sure you had however many lots of 6 plus an extra 3. It's a 12 row repeat, and every second row is a purl row, which is good. Anyway, let's get started. Row 1 is first 6 stitches, you knit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you repeat. Knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the last 3 stitches, and then you knit 2 together, yarn over needle, knit 1. There we go. Okay. Now the next row is a purl row. Whoops. Oh dear. So purl every stitch. There we go. Right, row 3 is, get my hand ready. Row 3 is knit 2, 1, 2, and the repeat is yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. So we'll do that again. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1. That's what you repeat a lot right to the last stitch. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, knit the last stitch. That was row 3. So row 4 is a purl row. Oh, that was row 4. Now we're on to row 5. Row 5 is repeat this. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, See if I can do this first time. Knit 3, there we go, knit 3 together, yarn over. So it's knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, there we go, yarn over. So it's knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, yarn over, and you do that until the last 3 stitches, which you knit 2, 3. So that's row 5. Okay, so row 6 is a purl row. Okay, row 7. Row 7 is, oh, get my finger, do you know what, I need to get rid of that tail. Row 7 is, you start off with knit 3, 2, 3, and the repeat is knit 2, yarn over, that's not, did I knit 2 or knit 2, hang on a minute. Apologise for that. It wasn't a knit 2, it's a knit 2 together. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so the repeat is knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You keep doing this right to the end. So it is knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was row 7. Oh, let's have a look. It's getting there. That was row 7. So row 8 is a purl row. Cool, that's row 8. Now, row 9. It's that tail, I must cut that off next time. Row 9 is knit 2, and you repeat. Knit 2, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, knit 1. Okay, start again. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass the slip stitch over, knit 1. This is repeated to the last stitch, so it's knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, pass slip stitch over, knit 1, and there's your last stitch. So that was row 9. So row 10 is a knit row, a purl row. I said knit row, I'm sure I did. I must think I'm bonkers. 10 is a purl row. So row 11 is knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, and the next is a repeat, which is knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, yarn over. So repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 3 together, yarn over. We repeat that to the last 6 stitches, which is knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 1, and then row 12 is a purl row. This is the last row, and then you would start all over again. Now that's quite easy. If you made a big white square with that, it would pass quite easily as a shawl for a new baby. Be really easy to make with a garter stitch edging on it. I'm sure you could do that easy. 8 rows at the beginning, 6 stitches either side, but really smart. There we go, that's our 12 rows. Oh, that looks really nice in the blue. Quite impressed with that now. Yep. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you'd like to like, share, subscribe, we'd be delighted. If not, thank you for watching and happy knitting. Oops.